The Floffles of Lumin Meadow. Far away in a secret valley surrounded by sparkling waterfalls and glowing mushrooms lived the Floffles, tiny fluffy creatures no taller than a teacup. Each Floffle had shimmering fur that changed color with their emotions and tiny butterfly-like wings that fluttered when they were happy. The Floffles lived in Lumin Meadow, a magical place where the grass sparkled like stardust and the flowers hummed sweet melodies. They spent their days playing hide and seek among the mushrooms and gathering glowberries, which were their favorite treat. The most curious Floffle of them all was Spriggle, a little one with fur that often shimmered green, which was the color of wonder and mischief. Unlike the other Floffles who were content staying in Lumin Meadow, Spriggle always dreamt of exploring the unknown beyond the valley. One morning, as the sun rose and cast a golden glow over the meadow, Spriggle spotted something unusual. It was a tiny silver bell that had a note attached that said, "To whoever finds this, help is needed in Willow Wood. Please follow the sound of the bell." Willow Wood was a beautiful, enchanting forest that was little far away from Lumin Meadow. There was a beautiful fountain in the center of Willow Woods, which was its life. The creatures who lived in Willow Wood were called as Drimbles. Drimbles were tiny teardrop-shaped creatures with glass-like bodies that glow in various colors. In order to reach Willow Woods, one had to cross the crystal caves and the stream of caramel. The journey was not easy. When Spriggle found the bell, his fur turned bright yellow with excitement. "An adventure," he said to himself. The other Floffles were worried and warned him. "What if it's dangerous?" said Bimble, a Floffle whose fur turned blue with nervousness. "It's worth finding out," said Spriggle. "Someone needs our help." And then Spriggle took the bell and started off. He flew over the meadow and through the valley. He crossed the crystal caves and the bubbling stream of caramel and finally reached Willow Wood. He was surprised to see such a beautiful place, and his fur turned into lavender with amazement. In the center of the forest, Spriggles met Drimbles. They were gathered around a fountain and were glowing very faintly. "Our fountain has stopped working," one of the Drimbles said, "and without it, we cannot glow brightly and our forest will lose its magic." Spriggle wanted to help them, so he inspected the fountain. It was clogged with sticky sap and tangled vines. "Don't worry," he said, his fur glowing with determination. "I will fix this." And then Spriggle worked tirelessly to remove the sap using a shard of crystal, and he removed the tangled vines. After a lot of hard work, the fountain started working again. Spriggle was happy and the Drimbles were overjoyed. They started to shine brighter and brighter. Willow Woods came back to life with all the leaves and the flowers glowing again. "You saved us," the Drimbles said, bouncing around with joy, and they gifted him a golden star. Spriggle thanked them and started his journey back to Lumin Meadow, his fur now golden with pride. When he returned back, the Floffles surrounded him, their furs shining in different colors, showing joy, happiness, excitement, and pride. "You brought back a story worth thousands of glowberries," they said. From that day on, Spriggle's adventure became a legend in Lumin Meadow, and Floffles learned that even the smallest creatures can bring light to the world.